In this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you can track an Amazon order easily. Okay, now you have to copy the tracking number, by the way. Okay, if you don't know how to copy the tracking number, if you don't know where you can find your tracking number, just click orders and then click copy the tracking number. Okay, after you copy the tracking number, like if you go for example to 70track, which is a very popular website where people can track their orders, you just want to paste the tracking number here. If you click track, you will not be able to track the order because Amazon is very different from eBay and other e-commerce websites. So what you need to do, guys, instead you want to search for parcels. Okay, I'm going to search for it right now. Parcels app.com. You can do the same thing on your phone, by the way. You can do this on your browser, on your iPhone or Android phone. Like I said here, you want to search for parcels app.com and then you want to click enter. And what you need to do, guys, next you want to paste that tracking number here. As you can see, I'm pasting the tracking number. Click track package, and parcelsapp.com will give you all the information about your package. You will see then where your package is. Okay, you will see the location of your package. You can also see the estimated delivery time. You can check a lot of things, for example the weight of the item, the country, the destination country or region. You can see your country here. Yeah, that's it. You can see a lot of things here. So if this video, guys, helped you, please drop a like. And if you don't know how to find the tracking number from Amazon, then just click the video in the screen and you will be able to find that. Okay, see you guys in the next video.